Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's tutorial video, I'll be showing you the process on how you can change language on Pinterest. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and to press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to tap and open Pinterest application, then get logged in into your account by providing correct account credential. Now here at the homepage of Pinterest, you can see the profile icon on bottom of right corner. You tap on it. Here inside your profile, you need to tap on three dotted line on top right side of the screen. You tap on it. There you need to tap on settings option. Here inside settings, you can see the option of personal information. You need to tap on it. There you can see the option of country/region. You need to tap on it. Now here you can go in for choosing any of the country or the region that you want to change. Here I'm going to go with Canada right now. As you can see, the country has been updated to Canada. It means the language has been changed in my Pinterest account. This is how you can change your language on Pinterest. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how you can change language on Pinterest. Thank you. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how you can change language on Pinterest. Thank you.